Third lesson, guys, is gratitude is the most powerful tool to change your perspective. And I had to change some of the wording here because originally I was going to put the most powerful tool to change your life. But I'm not really sure that is the correct way. And I was also going to say to change your state of mind. But knowing what I know from breathing and studying Dr. Andrew Huberman's work, we know breathing is actually the most effective and powerful tool to change your state of mind in real time. So when I talk about perspective, it's the way that you're looking at and seeing a situation or scenario play out in your life, and why I think gratitude is so powerful to change that perspective, because it doesn't matter what's going on currently. It doesn't matter the situation. It doesn't matter the environment. It doesn't matter what is happening in your life. Every single situation, every single opportunity, every single failure, setback, struggle, challenge, roadblock, if you look at it through the lens of gratitude, what can you get out of it? What can you learn? What can you grow? What can you evolve into from this challenging situation? There's a clear shift in the way that you're looking at it. No longer a confrontation, no longer a challenge, a struggle, but an opportunity to grow. So I think when we learn to shift our focus from not why is this happening to me, but what is this teaching me? How can I learn from this? Because life doesn't happen to you, right? It happens for you. And if you understand what that ultimately means, that is living in a state of gratitude because it's happening for me. That means that there's something good that's coming out of every possible situation. So, right now, if you're struggling with porn, you got to be grateful for the opportunity that you're aware of it, because men, there are millions and millions and millions of people that are walking around the world right now that are caught up in this and aren't even aware. Maybe they're even avoiding it. Maybe they're even believing that what they're doing is actually the proper way to live a life. So for you, if you're aware that there's a problem in your life and you're actually clear on how to change it, brother, be grateful that you're clear, aware, and have a process to follow, because on the other side of that, I'm telling you, you are capable of so much more than you currently believe right now. So the third lesson that I've really landed on here, brothers, is gratitude is the most powerful tool to change your perspective.